Okay, new student, right? Isaac, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Okay. This is done. Okay. Okay, do you all get my notes and the past year already? I posted in the group, So we already complete the chapter 1 for the notes, okay? Then now we will move on to our past year. Okay, let me open. Okay. So question 1 we already complete. Joshua, is it the question 2 we done? Or not yet? Where we stop, Where we stop? Find the coordinates for the... Yeah, I think this one we done. Okay, we move on to question 3. Oh, okay. I know already. Question 2 and 3, actually, I asked you to do as the homework. Okay. Any question for the question 2 and 3? I think question 3 not yet. Question 2 as the homework. Okay, we move to question 3, yeah. Okay, question 3 is a very popular question which they're always asking about the value or the value of the constant. Wait, why is it not working? Okay. Okay, I think can already. Okay, so when he said that he meet here, okay, so for the curve, so that means we need to do the equation 1 and equation 2, okay? So we put as x squared minus 3xy minus 40 equal to 0. This is my equation 1. Okay, for this case, you try to change it first. So I will get negative 3x, negative k. This is my equation 2. So you replace the equation 2 into your equation 1. You sub in. Okay, you will get x squared minus 3xy. Okay, minus 40 equal to 0. Okay, so from here, okay, you try to simplify. I will get 9x squared plus 3kx minus 40 equal to 0. Okay, so we simplify. We will get 10x squared plus 3kx minus 40 equal to 0. Okay, start from here. B squared minus 4ac. Okay, so when he said that he meet, okay, so I just put as equal first. Okay, equal to something, equal to the value. Okay, so your B is actually this one. So 3k squared minus 4ac. Okay, I get 9k squared minus plus 1,600. Okay, for these cases, we know that because it said that meet for all value of constant A. So that means whatever value A, because here the K, K square cannot be negative. Okay, K square is always positive. Because anything I put in, I will get positive. So K square always positive. So from here, I can set that 9k square plus 1,600 is more than 0. So this is the way to do it. Okay, I cannot put that equal to 0, even though here I can put k square is more than equal to 0. Okay, but for this case, I cannot put more than equal to 0 because I have 1,600 here. Okay, which more than 0 already, so it cannot be equal 0. So this is the inequalities that we should write it down. Any question for this one? Okay, good. So we continue for this one. Okay, so he said that it's given one of the point for the intersection. Okay, 1 point for the intersection, this one. Find the value of K and P and find the coordinates for other point. Okay, so what should we do now? For this question, we already have the equation 1 and my equation 2. Okay, so you can put as equation 1 equal to equation 2. Okay, to try to solve it to get the value. We have x and y here. Okay, we can replace back to your equation. So that easier for you to get. Okay, we try to replace this one into equation 1. Okay, so 5, 2, 1 over 2. Okay, you replace back to here. So you will get 1 over 2 here. Okay, square. 5 over 2 square. Minus 2k. 5 over 2 plus 2. Okay. Then we simplify the equation. I will get, after I simplify, I get, okay. Half k square. 25 over 4 minus, this one you can cancel actually. You will get 5k plus 2. Okay, we move everything over there. I will get 25k square minus 40k plus 12. Okay, you move this one into here, become minus, then everybody you times 8. Okay, everybody times 8. Then you will get this equation. Okay, so from here I can get my answer for k is 6 over 5 and 2 over 5. Okay, so here he said that the k is in between 0 to 1. So this one already more than 1. So we reject. Reject for this answer. So we're using this one. Okay, 2 over 5 as my k value. Okay, after I get this k value, I need to get my p value. So how to get p value? You replace to equation 2. Same thing, you replace this one. So 1 over 2 equal to 2 over 5. Then 5 over 2 plus p. So my p, I getting negative 1 over 2. Okay, so we already have k and p. Now he asks you to find the coordinates for the other point. So you can straight away replace the k and the p into your equation. Okay, so I try to replace it. Y equal to half. Okay, my k is 5. 2 over 5. 2 over 5 square. Okay, here, this one. Then your x square is 5 over 2 square. But I cannot replace my 5 over 2 because I need to find my x. So I straight away putting x square, then minus 2 over 5 x plus 2. Okay, then try to get the things out. X square minus 4 over 5x plus 2. Okay, my equation 1. Equation 2, y equal to k is 2 over 5 x plus p. So minus half. Okay, this one is my equation 2. Okay, we need to solve it so that I can get my intersection point. So equation 1 equal to equation 2. So 2 over 25 x squared minus 4 over 5x plus 2. equal to 2 over 5x minus half. Okay, from here, we try to simplify. I will get 2 over 25x squared minus 6 over 5x. This one is 5 over 2 equal to 0. Okay. So try to simplify it. Everything times 25. So it becomes 2x squared minus 30x. Yeah, I need to simplify this thing. So that means I can put 25, 50. 25 times 2, 50. So 4x squared minus 60x plus 25 times 5. 125. Okay. Then from here, I will get my x is... You can press the calculator actually. Or negative 60, 125. Okay, I get my x is 25 over 2 or 5 over 2. Okay, so 5 over 2 we already have here. So we will get this one as my answer. So 25 over 2. Okay, I get 25 over 2. So, but this is not the full things because he need the coordinate. So I need to get my y. Okay, you replace this one, x equal to 25 over 2 into your first equation, second equation. It's more easy. Right, minus half. Okay, so I will get 9 over 2. That's why my answer, final answer is 25 over 2 and 9 over 2. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, any question? You can ask, can PM, you can put in the chat, you can put in the WhatsApp, you can PM me. You can ask the question, no problem. Any question? Isaac, you okay? Rui, you okay? Yes, okay. Rui, you okay? Okay, Okay, Chanyi, you just join, Okay, we continue for B now. Okay, it is given instead that the line and the curve do not, okay, the keywords here, do not intersect. So meanings what? What is my formula that should I use? B squared minus 4AC less than 0. Okay, so same thing. You need to get from the equation on top just now. Okay, I think I have the equation here. Okay. 2 over 25 x squared minus 4 over 5x plus 2 equal to 2 over 5x plus p. Because you need to get the p. So we have to left it first. Okay, then we move everything here. Plus p minus plus 2 minus p equal to 0. So my A is 2 over 25, B 6 over 5, C 2 minus p. Okay, so we're using the formula B squared minus 4AC less than 0. So for A, C. Okay, we need to simplify first. Okay, I will get this one 36, 25 minus multiply in 16 over 25 minus plus 8 over 25p. Okay, simplify it. I will get negative 4 over 5. That p multiply with 25 over 8. Okay, so final answer, negative 5 over 2. Okay, any question? Okay, if no question, then we move on to question 5. Okay. So question 5, I need you to do because question 5 quite easy. Okay, you have to factorize the 3. After that, you put as the completing square form, then you will get the answer. Okay. Then after that, here he asks you to get the exact solution for x power 4. Okay, we can try to use this one, okay, as the help us to get the solution. Because y, I can set his same as x squared. So that means here, I still can get back 3y squared minus 12y minus 15 equal to 0, which is same as this one. So once I get the answer for the A, I straight away can get the answer for the B. Okay, you try to do and can send me the solution. I will help you to check the working everything. Then after that, we will move on to the question 6 and 7. Okay. Joshua, you want okay? How about B? How about B? Okay, correct. Isaac and Ruyi, you all okay? Do you need help? Okay, this one also correct. Isaac, okay. It's correct, huh? Can. You can screenshot. Oh, you didn't have the notes, ah? You are in the group, right? Can. Okay. I send you. Wait, ah. Maybe I resend in the group. See whether you can. Wait, ah. I send it to you. Chinese is okay, no problem. I understand. Okay, it's no problem, ah. Later I show. Wait, I send the I send all the notes first, because you didn't have the notes, it's very hard for you to do. Let me send everything. Actually, we will try to finish the chapter 1 past year today. And then after that, we will try to cover some of the chapter 2, because usually the school will go very fast. Okay. I think you received, right? Okay. Yeah, I understand, because the school usually go very fast. We already cover some of the topic actually. The chapter 3 we already done, so we won't be cover back chapter 3. But if you want the lesson, I can send you the link after this lah. Okay, this is the past year. Chapter 3 we already done. Okay, so no problem. Everyone is okay. So I continue. Okay, I continue for 6. Okay. For the question 6, the straight line, okay. Then he said that the keywords is here. He said that is a single point, okay. Single point. So single point, that means is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Okay, so you just need to do b square minus 4ac equal to 0, and then you will get the answer. Okay, this one you try to do it. Then after that, for the coordinates p, okay, coordinates p, that means he said that he meet in the single point here, right? Once you get the k value you putting in here, you will able to get the coordinates for the p. Okay, you can try to do this one now. Okay, correct lah. I think the chapter 3, Roy and Isaac, I think I need to send to you also, because we already cover it. So let me send to you. Especially the past year. And then at least you can do some of the question. Okay, we already cover chapter 1, 2. Today we will try to cover chapter 2. And chapter 3 we already done. Statistic 1, chapter 1, and chapter 2 and chapter 3 also we complete. So for statistic, okay. Okay. You all get the answer?
Uh,
Mm.
for question 7, question 6B, I'm getting -3.
Let me check. I am looking for your things now. Which one you using? You're not using the intersection point.
I'm using that.
No. Because you see, equation 1 is x plus 5, right? Equation 2 is 2x squared plus 3y squared equal to k. So you need to replace the equation what?
Yeah, I did that.
But you should get 5x squared. Why you not getting 5x squared?
Yeah, I got 5x squared plus 30x plus 45, right?
At the bottom, huh? Oh, okay. Then, after that, what you get?
Simplify.
Oh, okay. Answer should be -3. I think typo. Answer is
Okay.
-3 too. Correct. Okay, I think you get it already, So, Isaac and Rudy, you okay? Can open or not the file? Okay, correct. Okay, then we move on to question 7. Okay. Yeah, can. Okay, I already saw your working everything. Okay, then we move on to the question 7 now. Okay, question 7, you see, even though he only asks you to determine which is the statement correct, A, B, C, which one is correct. So, but he give you 4 marks here. So he asks you to show all the necessary working. Okay, if let's say student, okay, they never show any working, they just simply circle A or B or C, okay, they cannot get any marks. So remember to show all the working, because this is the requirement for the question. Okay, what you have to do, the same thing. Okay, he have 2 equation here. Okay, y equal to 2cx plus 3. Another one is y equal to cx squared plus 3x minus c. Okay, so he asking, the line is intersect only the particular set, or he said only the line is intersect for all the value c, or he do not intersect any value. So actually you need to try to find the c value. Okay, so how to do it? Same thing, equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, 2cx x plus 3 equal to cx squared plus 3x minus c. Okay, we try to simplify something. 2cx plus 3x minus 3. Okay, so I get cx minus, plus. I change thing. Okay, then after that, we using b squared minus 4ac to check the value. So b squared is 3 minus 2c squared minus 4c, then c minus 3. Okay, I get 9 minus 12c plus 4c squared plus 4c squared again plus 12c. Okay, that's all. Yeah. Okay, this one and this one I cancel. I will get 8c squared plus 9. Okay, so same thing as just now. C squared is always bigger than 0. So meaning that this value is always bigger than 0. So when he always bigger than 0, that means the line and the curve will intersect for all the value of C. Okay? So if less than 0, that means do not intersect. Okay, if equal, that means A. So we have to try to find. Any question for this one? Okay, if no question, we move on to question 8. Okay, question 8, you try to do it. It's the same thing as the just now, the question, which one? Question 6, or question 5. Question 5. Okay, only different is the B. The B, he said that there is no real roots. Okay, you try to do it and send me the answer. Okay, for B, answer is not this one. This one wrong. Okay, the answer is 36 less. P is more than 36. Okay, for this one, actually the final answer is P square. Okay, the answer like this. If you can get this answer, then okay. This one is P more than 36. Okay. Correct. This one correct. Okay, you can continue with the B. B square minus 4AC. No real roots. So means what? Yeah, less than. Correct. Less than 0. Okay. Yeah, is that your one also correct? If you finish the question 8, right, you can move on to question 9. Okay, you can try to do it first. Then you send me, I will check for you. You okay or not? You get answer? Okay. No real root is less than, okay. Answer for the question B. Okay, just now I already show it, right? Oh, can, no problem. Okay, Rui, okay. Okay, I share the screen back. Here. This one. This is the answer. Okay, if you finish the question 9, you can send to me. I will check for that. Okay. All right. Okay. Isaac and Chanyi, you can do question 9 or not? You get the answer or not? Do you need my help?
Yes, I'm doing.
Doing okay. Isaac, you can answer already. Yeah, correct. We no need to find the k equal to 1. I mean, we no need to show k equal to 1. And I saw you are writing like this. Okay. K square minus 1 like this. Okay, he can be equal to 0. This one can equal to 0. Remember just now, I said that k square can be equal to 0. K square is equal can be equal to 0. But when he have k square plus 1,600, then it must be bigger than 0 because you have the value here. But when you have no value over here, that means we have no c over here. Okay, then we can put equal sign. So that means k square minus 1 square or more than or equal 0. Okay. So this is the some mistake you change it. You get what I mean, Isaac? Okay. Okay, then you can move to, if you finish, then you can move to the question 10. It's the last question. I just include the 3 years letters question related to topic quadratic. But if let's say you get like other source, maybe from your teachers, from the school, or you can get online resources, you get other past year, for example, maybe 2018. Usually 2018 question is a bit hard 2018 or 2017. Okay. If you want to ask me, also you can PM me. Then I will answer you when I free. Okay, Rui, your working is not correct. Your working is not correct. Okay, I saw you getting like this. I saw you are getting like this. K minus 1 square. Sorry, this one should have no K. Okay, so you're getting this one. K minus 1, K minus 1. Am I right? Okay, this is what you get. So K minus 1, you can put as K minus 1 square. So when you have k minus 1 square, because this thing is always more than or equal to 0. Okay, you need to show this one. So when he always more than or equal to 0, that means he will meet for all value of k. You always need to come up this thing because we need to show that we have square. Then when we have square thing, right? When we have the square, that means it always more than 0. We need to show this thing. It's the key point. Okay. Okay, correct. No? Okay, I think all of you get right. Done. Chanyu, you get or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we move on. Okay, continue with question 10. Okay, this one, same thing when he has no real roots. Okay, this is b squared minus 4ac. Okay, less than 0. So you try to put in all the value, and then you need to draw this thing. Remember? Okay, then after that, you need to get the range. Okay, you try to do it. So after you finish this one, right, you have to use the A solution to help you for the B. Okay, then you need to change that the X now become cos theta. So after that, you can solve it to get the answer. You can send me the working. Okay, correct. This one no problem. I said you want okay. If you Isaac and Louis, if you have time, you better go through the chapter 3, which we already covered that one. I think chapter 3 YouTube link should be on top. Because chapter 3 is the hardest question, hardest topic for the P1. Chapter 3. Chapter 2 also, but chapter 2 not much because chapter 2 only starting from the transformation topic, transformation of function. That one is a bit different from the secondary. So that one you just need to memorize the formula. Then after that you can do. But chapter 3, there is a lot of the problem solving question. So maybe you need to pay more attention for that. Okay, you finish? You missing K. You missing something. Changi, you look at here. This one, okay. Let me check your things, K plus 3. Oh, okay, you put negative. Why you put negative? Why you put negative? Because your B is actually K plus 3. Right? So B square minus 4AC, you will get K plus 3, the whole thing square. Then after that, minus 4AC. Then from here, you can simplify.
My final equation is a square plus 2k plus 1.
K square plus 2 square.
2k.
2K plus, no, that is not plus. Okay, you check my answer here. I'm not finished yet, actually. Let me finish first. Okay, this one, I will get plus 9 minus 8K minus 8.
Oh yeah. 我算
I
错了。
get, 你看错了, okay. I get like this, then after that you can get this one. After you get this one, then you go back to this one. Oh, part B, part B is the same thing. But let me see this thing first. Okay. Okay, Rui, your one also correct. Joshua, your one, your A correct. Your B, now we already have your A, right? So you can get from your A actually. Your A equation is 8. That means 8x minus 10x plus 2. Okay, equal to 0. So I can simplify, become like this. Okay, then my S value, I will get what? 1 or 1 over 4. So my S is actually cos theta equal to 1. So theta, I will get 0. Because this one is only 180 until 180. So I no need to consider the Q4. I only need to consider Q1. Okay, then this one is the same thing. This one is 75.5. Okay. So this is for B. Okay, so chapter 1, we complete. We'll move to chapter 2. Then you have to write more than 0, like this. This one. K minus 1 square more than 0. Then he will meet for all value of K. Important, you need to show this one actually. If you finish, then we will move to the chapter 2. Will you finish?
When x equal to 1 over 4, I'm getting 1.3.
1.3. Which one you get 1.3?
Cos theta equal to 1/4. So theta is,
Huh? This one is 1, right?
yeah, I got that 0. The next
Then
one.
the next one.
Yeah,
Shift,
yeah.
you press calculate. Yeah. Okay, shift cos 0.25. 75.5. You press the calculator. Shift cos 1/4. Do you change to the degree or not? Or you in radian?
It's in radiant.
Huh?
It's in radiant.
No, in degree. Because
okay.
the answer here in degree.
Okay.
You see, the depends to the question actually. If the question he giving you in radian, example, he put 0, then 2 pi or pi example. Then this one in radian. Then you put in radian, no? Then here he said 0 degree to 180 degree. Then you change to degree. This one in degree. Is it done for your chapter 1? Shani, you finish?
Yeah.
Okay. So we move to chapter 2. Okay, chapter 2, actually I do some refresh about the maths. Okay. So for the function, okay, because if some students that are not taking the maths, then they maybe don't know about this thing. So I go for the basic first. Function, okay, function is actually something like the formula, okay. Then he can be if where we've said that is the function, okay, he can be either 1-to-1 or many-to-1. Okay, so function, this is the 1-to-1 function example. Okay, that means when you have one x value, this is the x value, you have one y value. Okay, this is called 1-to-1 function. Okay, many-to-1 function, that means you have two x value, negative x and x, then you only have one y value. Okay, so the set of the input, okay, input is actually your x value. So sometimes we call it domain. And then output is actually your y value. So we call it range or codomain. Most of the time we call it range. Okay, so for the question 1 example, write down the domain. Okay, the domain actually he already provide you in the question. Okay, the answer is here, x value. So which is -4, x, and 5. Okay, then after that he will ask you to sketch the graph. I mean sketch the function. Actually, your question 10 wrong. Your question 10 wrong. You should, I send you the, you're not doing the inequality method. Okay, he asked you to sketch the function. Okay, so we just sketch the function because this one is a straight line. Okay, very easy for us to sketch. When x equal to 0, your y is actually 5. Okay, then after that, we need to get here. When x equal to -4. My y is -4. I put in. Okay, my y is 13. When my s is 5, my y will be -5. Okay, you replace in now, huh? Okay, so this is 5, -4, 13. Okay, this one is 5. Then here is -5. Okay, it's a straight line, huh? Okay, so this one is my range. And here is my domain. Huh? So here he asks you to get your range. So your range will be, this is the B, this is the A. Okay, for your range is here. So -5, okay, he put fx, then you put fx. Okay, he got equal sign, then you put equal sign. Okay, then 13. When you have equal sign here, then you put equal sign here. If let's say here have no equal sign, then you don't put equal sign. Okay. Any question? Okay. Can Okay, I move on. Okay, we go for this one. This one, he asks you to sketch the function graph. Because this already in your completing square form. So you can straight away know that this one is your minimum value. Okay, because my A is 1, so positive is minimum value. Okay, your S value is 3, your Y value is 8. Okay, then after that, we need to get this value out. Okay, when S equal to -1, my fx, okay, you just putting in in your calculator, then you will get 24. When S equal to 9, you putting in, you will get 44. Okay, so we can draw the graph. Okay, this one is -1 and 24. 24 very high. Okay, wait. 24, maybe I put here. Okay, this one. Then your minimum value is 3, 8. And then another one is 9, then 44. So this one you just put 9, 44, and then this point you just put -1, 24. Okay, so once I draw this one, after I sketching this one, he asks you to get the range. Okay, so your minimum value is actually 8. Okay, so 8 equal sign, okay, fx. Then maximum you go to 44. So this is my answer. Okay, any question?
No.
Okay, if no question, then you try question 1. We try question 1 now. After you finish, you send me. This is the two part. One is the 0 to 2, another one is 2 to 4. So later you will have something like the curve, then and after that is the straight line or something like that. I checking. Let me see first. When s equal to 2. Okay. So your range is, this one is the -1. And then when s equal to 4. When s equal to 4, your y value, your point putting wrongly leh. Chanyi, your graph, okay, you look at here. Actually, I show here. Okay, the graph is something like this, okay. Your graph is okay. But the thing is, here, the intersection, because you get, the intersection is not in the 4, your graph.
Oh,
The
oh.
4 is over here already. The 4 is actually on 7. 5. The 4 is with 5, right? Because when I replace this one here. 3, 4 minus 7, I get 5, right? So actually this point is 5. Okay, this point is 4, 5. So the curve is okay. Okay, when you put this one -1, 2, okay. Then this one is 3, okay. This part wrong. This one you no need to put actually. So the range from here, the minimum is -1 to maximum is 5. So you just put -1, 5. Okay. Okay, correct. Then your range. No, Isaac, your one also wrong. This one, and you look at the graph here. Okay, this one is actually your x equal to 4. Your x is actually 4. Your y value is 5. So that means this one is 4. This is 5. So the bottom here is not the 5 leh. Your graph not correct. The graph is something like this. Yes, okay. Okay, Joshua, your one is correct. Isaac, you change it But the answer for B is correct. The answer for B is -1 to 5. or only the graph? You're sketching the graph. Okay, we move on. This one, question 2, you can try. Or if you cannot get, then you let me know lah. Or it's almost the same thing. Okay, once you get your completing the square, then after that you were able to get your symmetry line. Symmetry line is actually the minimum point x value. Okay. So we move on to composite. Okay. Composite, actually you already learned it in the maths. Okay, but I still need to teach because in the syllabus. Okay, composite function means that you are putting let's say fg, you're putting the g into your f. So you're putting the behind into the in front. And then the key point here, he said that fg is not equal to gf. Okay, if ff means that there are twice, that means f put into the f. Okay, then after that here, this one you need to careful. Fg only exists if the range of the G contain the domain of the F. That means when we want to check whether the Fg is exist or not, you need to check whether the range of the G, okay, the range of the G within, or that means inside the domain of the F. Domain of the F, that means example just now. Let's say here, just now the one, okay. Let's say you have domain 0 to 2 example. Okay, so 0 to 2 is your domain. So you need to check whether your G range is in 0 to 2 or not. Okay, if the range is not inside, then Fg is not exist. Okay, this one careful lah. This one sometimes they will ask. It's a theory question, we call it. Okay, we go for the basic one first. He asked you to find the FG4. For the easiest way, we will try to put the 4 into your G equation. So that means we try to get the 4 first. 2, 4 plus 3, then x minus 2. Sorry, x I have to replace. X is 4. Okay, then after that, I get 11 over 2. Okay, I replace this 11 over 2 into f now. 11 over 2 minus 4 square minus 1. Okay, so you will get 5 over 4. Okay. So if let's say Fg is exit, you can see from here, you need to check the range for the Fg. Okay. So this one is not the range. This is actually the domain. The range you can put when x is more than 0. More than the 2. Okay, more than 2 any value lah. So actually your range will be real number. Okay. Real number, that means any number lah. You can have the fraction, you can have decimal, okay, something like that. Okay, after that, when this one is the real number, you check fx domain is the real number also. Okay, so then Fg is exists. Okay, this is something what I try to tell you lah for this part. Okay. Okay, then we go for the second one. Okay, he asked you to get the Fg. So you just put the G into your F. So 2, then x squared minus 1 plus 3. Okay, so try to simplify. As long as we can simplify, then we simplify. Okay, so this is your answer. So for the B, GF, that means you put the F into your G. So very long one. Okay, then the whole thing square minus 1. Okay, you simplify it, you will get 4x squared plus 12x plus 8. Okay, because 3 squared is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, for C, F put into F. Okay, I will get 4x plus 9. Okay. Okay, so we go for the 2.6, example 2.6. Okay, this one I need you to do because this one is related to the topic 1. Okay, as a real solution, find the value of k. So how to do? You try first and you send me the solution. Okay, why no inequality? Should have inequality. Your equation is correct actually. Your
Don't need to answer.
Okay, your equation is this one, right? What I saw here. Minus, you put minus outside. Also can. Minus 3 plus k equal to 0. Okay. Then after that, you are putting in here b squared minus 4ac. Okay, this one we don't know yet. We're putting in first. Okay, so this one is 6 squared minus 4ac. Negative 3 negative k. 36 minus plus 108. Okay. Eh? Why you got negative? Why you get negative? Oh, okay. Your problem here, this one. The negative you have to multiply in everybody.
Yeah.
Ah.
I count too fast already, sorry.
Mistake. You always get problem with the negative thing, You careful with that, Okay, usually you will get this one, Okay, then after that, I try to get this thing out first. 144. Okay, then after that, he asks you to get all the values of k, right? So, because he said that this is the real solution, so straight away I know that this is more than 0. This is the final answer.
Oh, negative 4. I put 4.
Because your negative part here, just now I mentioned to you. I said your one is not correct. Real solution. Real solution means that you have the solution. If let's say you have you remember the knots or not? Last time I give you the knots, right? We have three criteria, three types. Okay, one is no real roots, one is distinct root, one is one roots. Remember? So when he said that is the real solution, meaning that is the roots. So we only have 3 types. So I was using more than 0. I think you look at here, this one. This one, you missing your k. Why k no more? Because he said that Fg equal to k. You already get your Fg actually. Your Fg is 3. Why 3? 9, sorry, it should be 9. 9x squared plus, okay? This one, Fg. 9x squared plus 6x minus 3. Then you put this one equal to k. Then you move this one here. Then after that, you will get the answer lah. Continue with the things. Yeah, correct. Because he asking, then here, he asking you to get the k value. Usually the question they will mix around, you know, like this is the chapter 1, right? Even though this topic is chapter 2, but the question he can come up related to question 1. He also function, you see, he also the function question. Then he related because he have the real solution or asking to find the k, so he related back to the topic 1. Okay, correct now. Now okay already. Joshua, okay or not? You get answer? Okay, for those already finished, you try to do question 1. This one he asked you to put into the completing square form. Well, let me see. Your b square. Your b square y is 2. Your b square is 6, is it? Your a is 9. Your c is -3, -k. Correct or not? Why suddenly become 2?
I try to simplify, but I can't mess up. Sorry.
Okay, you will get 2, then x plus 1 square minus 10. Okay. Okay, the smallest value is x plus 1. It must be always more than or equal 0, right? So your k value should be -1. Okay, correct? Okay. You also can say this is your minimum point, right? Chinese, your method is using minimum point. Then you have to put minimum point MIN. When you put MIN minimum point, then the teacher will know. So the smallest value
is -1.
Yeah, correct. Mm. Okay. This 144. Okay. Don't put equal. You should put you should put like this. Okay, more than or equal -4. Oh, don't put equal. Okay. We move to the 2.3. Inverse function. Okay, inverse function also we will have certain criteria. Again, okay, inverse function only 1-to-1. Okay, when you have the inverse function only 1-to-1, you can have the inverse. Then after that, the domain, okay, for the inverse is actually the range for the function. The range for the function is actually the domain for the fx. So because it's opposite. Okay. So now we try to do the question. For this one, usually for your secondary school teacher will say you put y and then copy down this thing -7. Okay, y and s you interchange. Okay, after that you move you get y as a subject. So that means you move the -7 to another side. And then after that you square it. Okay, after that you move the 2 minus. Okay, so this is my answer for my inverse. So the inverse is x plus 7 square minus 2. Okay, after that he asks you to solve this one. So you just put here x plus 7 square minus 2 equal to square root 62 plus 2 minus 7. Okay. So we try to simplify. This one you will get 1. And move the 2 here plus 2. Then after that square is actually the square root. Then 7 you move here -7. Okay, I will get square root 3 minus 7. Okay, you have you supposedly have 2 way lah, because this one is plus minus.
Teacher, the square root no need to put plus minus.
Yes, we need to put. Okay, we need to put. So end up we get this one, but the final answer is only 1 because inverse only 1-to-1. So 1-to-1 that means only one solution. So we need to check is positive or negative. Okay, so for the case when you have the inverse for the function, that means the range for the inverse should be f negative x more than -2. Am I right? Because according to just now, the range become domain, domain become range. So this the range at the domain, it become the range for the inverse. Okay. So when you have the inverse for -2, okay, let me see. For the range, what is your range? My range is actually 7. Okay. My range for fx is actually -7. So that means more than -7. Okay, more than -7. So this one is -3, -3. So that means the domain the domain, okay, the domain is more than -7 also. So the range is -7. The domain for the inverse should be more than -7 also. Okay, x is more than -7. So x is more than -7. So if let's say I have plus square root 3 minus 7. So it's -5 point something something, 5.26. If negative square root minus 7, -8 point something something. Okay, so that means I have to get the positive one. No? So no need to put positive. Okay, this is my final answer. So I cannot accept for the negative, I only accept the positive. You get what I mean or not? We need to try to get the range and the domain for your fx. Any question? Any question? A bit confused which part or the domain and the range. Yeah, it's like this. When you have the inverse, then you have to careful. Either inverse of the composite. Composite range and domain also confused. Because we need to consider about the both side. Okay. Okay, so for this one, this one I already show the working lah, huh? Okay, he already give you the maximum minimum, so this one should be maximum value. Maximum value 25, okay, here. So the domain is until 6, okay, so you put 6 here. So the K, he don't know, okay, he asks you to find. So he asks you to state the smallest K value if that is the inverse, okay? So same thing, when that is the inverse, okay, you only have 1 to 1. Okay, it's a 1-to-1 function. So 1-to-1 function, that means you need to cut. Okay, you need to cut. So if let's say 1-to-1, you either go here or go here. Usually we were using this part. Why? Because he said that until 6. So we have to use this line instead of we using this one. Okay, so when we are using this one, that means your K value should be 2 lah. Okay, so straight away we write K equal to 2. Okay, for this K value, find the expression inverse. Okay, so we start to do the inverse using the same method, inverse function. So we already interchange this one. So we start to move. Okay, so we move, we will get y minus 2 square equal to x minus 5. Okay, then this one you move here. Okay, then you move the 2 also, plus 2. Okay, so I already get my inverse. Okay, so after that, we need to find the domain and the range. Okay, so domain and the range, okay, we can consider about this one. We can consider about this one. This one is your domain. So when this is the domain, I know that that should be my range. So we try to write down the range. It asks you to get the range and the domain, right? Okay, so no domain. Okay, domain for the inverse. Okay, domain for the inverse is let me see. This one is 5. Then this is 2. Okay. So this one should be my range. Smallest is 2 lah. right? Domain is same as the range for this one. Okay, so my range is here. This is the range. So the range is, okay, got equal sign. Okay, we can try to use this one. Okay, this one is 5. This one is -11. So I put -11, 5. Okay, so this one quite straightforward, done. Okay, then after that we need to get the range. Okay, so the range is the domain, okay, for your function. Okay, so your domain for the function, this is your domain. This is the domain for the function. Okay, so it's the range actually. So this is 2, then 6. Okay. Any question? Any question? Okay, no, so we continue. This is the same thing. Duplicate already, this one. Okay, we try one question. Actually, here we have 4 questions. We try for 1 question. You try for question 4. Sorry, question 3. Question 3. You always remember the past year, when you do past year, you will know. Okay, they always like to ask you about the domain and the range. Okay, even the composite also the same. Composite also they will ask about the range and the domain. Let me check. Smallest value is 3, right? Okay, so this one okay. Then your inverse. Okay, that is the, why you still got, but you never tell me which one should you use that. The B1. You remember or not? Inverse only 1 to 1. So which one should I use? Positive or negative?
How should I know if I should
How
use
should you know? Then
positive
you
or
have to go
negative?
back to this one. This one. This one. You need to consider about the range. When you're thinking about the domain, you have to consider about the range. You should have 2. You cannot have 2 expression actually here. You should not have the 2 expression actually. You should have only 1. So you have to consider about the, you are in what? 3 to 7, is it?
Yeah.
Your S value is 3 to 7, right? Where is it? Here. Okay. 3 to 7. So 3 to 7 is your S value. Let me see. S value is 3 to 7. How about your range? How about your range? What is your range? Try to get the range first.
My domain for this answer is 3 less or equal 9.
Your domain is S less or equal 9. Okay, this one, okay. Range is 3 to
9.
7, is it?
Yeah.
Your range is 3 to 7, is it?
Yeah.
So that means I have to reject the negative law.
Why reject negative? I don't understand.
Because your range now, okay, your range is the domain. Okay, wait, we go back to this one first.
Or
This
because
is
less
the
than 9.
no. You okay. The range, okay, we go this one first. The range is actually the domain for this, right? Your domain now is 3 to 7, right? Okay, so I put 3, 7. Okay. So this one now your inverse, when you move it, you get 3 plus where I should put y because haven't yet. Okay, y equal to 3 plus minus. This is the thing, right? You get correct or not? This is the thing that you when you do
Yeah.
your equation when you do your
Yes.
equation you get this one, right?
Yes.
Okay. So when what to buy it?
I mean, it's still the same thing, right?
No there.
No. No.
No. Okay, I redo. X equal to x equal to 9 minus x. This is y. Y minus 3 squared. So you move here. So y minus 3 squared equal to 9 minus x. So you move here should be square root 9 minus x plus 3. Correct, right? Like this one. Then you got plus minus here. Like this one.
My equation is x equal plus minus square root y minus 9 plus 3.
Cannot. It's terbalik. It's terbalik.
Oh, terbalik.
It's 9 minus x. X minus 9 cannot. When you move this one by one, you should get this one, right? Y equal to plus minus square root 9 minus x plus 3.
Yeah.
But now my question is, okay, when you give this one to your teacher or your examiner, okay, he will deduct your marks for the final answer because you never write down the final answer. So the final answer, okay, I have to consider now whether I want positive or negative. This is what I try to ask lah. Okay, how I know that it's positive or negative? Okay, this one is your y value. That mean okay, this one is actually your range. Am I right?
Yes.
This one's supposedly your range. So your range should be positive value because 3 to 7. 3 to 7 means that the lowest is 3 the highest is 7. So here I should put positive, right? So that I can get more than 3. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
So this is the reason why I use positive law as my function.
Okay.
This
Understand now.
this is the final answer. The
Okay.
A level is a bit different from the secondary. Is he more detailed? That means in secondary, okay, we can accept when you put plus minus or you never put or what, also we can consider correct. But when you go for the further, right, they will go for more detail. That means we need to determine which one is the correct one. You cannot give two because we know that function, inverse function is 1 to 1. So we only can have one function. Okay, then your domain you get less than 9, is it? Less than 9. Yeah, correct lah.
Less
Yeah,
or
because
equal to 9.
yeah, because less or equal to 9, right? Because the value here, 9 minus x, right? 9 minus x is equal to 0. So your x should be 9. No? So the value should be x is more than, less than, sorry. Cannot more than cannot find. Okay. Less than or equal to 0. Equal to 9. Why we have to put less than? Because when we more than, right? So 9 minus x. This one, square root cannot have negative. Meaning that this one must be more than 0. Right? So when you move this one here, so you will get x. 9 here, x is less than 9. This is the way to do lah. Okay. Any question? Any problem? Okay, you sure you're okay or not? Seems like very easy topic, but also can be hard.
If you check my work.
Let me check. You ignore the negative, you need to know why.
Yes, yes.
And the way you write is not correct actually. You see, why you got negative? Why you got negative 7? Why you get negative 7? Okay, as just now I said, right? Domain for the inverse. Okay, here, domain for the inverse is actually the range. Okay, it's actually the range for the fx. And then range for the inverse is actually the domain for your fx. So the range straight away I know is 3 to 7. Right? Am I right? You try to get the idea. The range and the domain for the inverse is actually opposite from the function, from the original function for the fx. So for the range, right, I can straight away using this one. Then what I need to do is I change the symbol here. It becomes f negative 1. Okay. You can set smallest value is 3, or we can set that the range is actually 3 to 7. Okay lah. You can write like that. No problem. Okay lah. I said your one is correct. This one you better take note. Because when we teach in the school, right, we have to go very fast. Okay, so we cannot really detail to explain this thing. Okay, for question 4, I think you can try your own. It's the same concept. The answer should have the positive and negative, but end up he will choose the positive value. Because the range actually is more than 5. So that's the reason. So question 4, you also can try. And question 1 and 2 is almost the same, actually. I just select the one that we can try during the class. Due to the time limit, we only can try one. But the rest you can try it. And you should know why we are using the positive, why sometimes we are using the negative. Okay, I think today we cannot finish on this one. So next week we will continue. Okay, next week we will continue. Next week should able to finish all these things. Okay, if you got time, you better try to memorize the formula first for the transformation. Okay, I actually giving you all the formula in the box. Actually, I put in the box. I already give you all the formula. So you try to memorize so that when I explain, you very fast to get in. Because the transformation topic a bit confusing. Okay, sometimes they will put plus A, then sometimes they will put S minus A, sometimes inside, sometimes outside. So sometimes he got inside and outside. So it's a bit confusing. You better go through first. Try to memorize. The box in the page 13. Can you see or not? Key point, I always putting key point. Key point 2.6, key point 2.7, key point 2.8, or key point 2.9, okay? You go through and you try to memorize. Try to memorize. This one you must memorize. No other way. Okay? No other way to do this thing. You only can memorize. So you try to memorize first. Maybe you don't understand. It's okay, no problem. Next week, I will explain clearly to you. If you want the summarized one, but the summarized is not very clear. The summarized is in the page 18. Okay, page 18. That is the two boxes, two table over there. But this one is not very clear. You better memorize the key point. The key point already listing all the possible things. So you go through this one first. Okay? Because a bit confusing, this one really confusing. Students always get confused for the transformation. But once you memorize, right, very easy for you to do. This topic is easy. Okay. So I think any other question or any question before I end? You try to do the exercise here. If you cannot do, you just message me. Okay, I will do it for you. Okay. Any things you want to ask before I end? No, okay. Yes. Anything? No. Okay. No, then I end the class. Okay, so see you next week.
Yeah, thank you, teacher.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.